over the years, we've really seen the great impact that the internet has had on the world. We've really seen how it has been able to help boost like the global economy. And even till date, we continue to see like the impact that the internet is having on the world. And I strongly believe that in the nearest future, the internet is going to continue to be like a very, very important aspect of our life, and it will actually affect how we do our things, how we go about our business, how we connect, and how we are able to actually share ideas and actually build businesses. And so we've been able to see that the internet has actually provided some global medium where like-minded individuals can get connected, share ideas, just be able to build their businesses together, collaborate, and actually just and maybe sometimes just have some fun. And so it's very important that we as business owners or entrepreneurs really get to understand how to leverage the power of the internet to be able to grow their businesses, to be able to scale their businesses. If you look back at 20 ever since the if you look back ever since the pandemic happened, we've actually seen like a massive shift of businesses who have actually shifted their businesses from operating offline to from offline mode to online mode. Ever since the pandemic, we've actually seen a massive shift of businesses from offline to online mode. So a lot of businesses and companies are actually adopting the internet. They're actually trying to find out ways to be able to scale their businesses online, to be able to put their businesses online. So that is why we here at Quexel work closely with each of our clients. We are going to work closely with you who is looking to grow their businesses online. We are going to understand exactly how your business functions. We are going to work closely with you and with your team to understand exactly how your business functions, to understand the systems and processes that you already have in place that may not be working for you. And we are going to develop a personalized and customized strategy and processes that are actually going to help you to grow your business online, that are actually going to help you scale your businesses online, and it will help you put your business in front of people who are actually there searching and looking for the products and services that you offer. And so we offer a wide range of digital marketing services such as search engine optimization, web development and design. We offer social media management and paid per click advertisement. And even sometimes we also help companies to follow up like maintenance processes to be able to boost their websites, to be able to just manage the overall functioning of their website, to make sure that everything runs smoothly and be able to provide like the best value for over a long period of time. And so if you're someone who is looking to grow their business online, if you're someone who is looking to get the right information and work with the right team, that will actually help you to get from where you are now to get to hit those targets and those goals that you have set for your business or company. We here at Quexel will be willing and happy to really work with you. We'll be willing and happy to develop those customized strategies to really understand your business and really set up processes in place that will really help you grow your business online.